Hi, readers. You guessed it, another day of reading where we're looking at nonfiction text features. Friends, today is actually our last day exploring our very last text features we're going to learn about this year. So let's take a look at what we've already learned. We've learned about table of contents and headings. We've learned about the glossary and bold words. We've learned about photographs and captions. Today, friends, we get to learn about labels and diagrams. Come on, let's take a look. All right, friends, labels. Labels provide us information by pointing out an object within a picture or a photograph. It has lines and arrows that show that object, that point to that object. I'm going to move myself over here. Friends, actually, let me go up here. Friends, take a look at this picture here. This is from a nonfiction text about frogs. Do you see any labels? Can you find them? Take a look. Yeah, there's a label there, there, and there. Friends, you already know all about labels. Second graders are including labels in their own writing. Second graders are including labels when they do their math work. So labels should be something we know a lot about. And labels are cool because they tell us exactly what's in the picture, so we don't have to figure it out on our own just by looking. It tells us, oh, these little bubbly things, they're eggs. Awesome, let's move on. All right, friends, now we're gonna look at a diagram. A diagram is a picture or a drawing that has labels, okay? So that's why we're teaching diagram and labels together. Diagrams have labels in them, they're connected. And these lines and arrows, so these lines and arrows point to a part, and these labels tell the reader about the parts of the picture, okay? Let's take a closer look at this diagram here. Wow, so you can see this is a picture of a frog, and all these lines are pointing out all the parts of the frog. So that's the frog's stomach, the frog's liver, the frog's heart, the frog's ear. Oh, interesting, the frog's brain. Look at that. So diagrams are really helpful because instead of having to guess what all these parts are, they point out all the parts with a label. So cool. Check out this diagram, friends. This diagram shows us, oh, let's take a look at this caption. We got another text feature here. Here's our caption, and it says, these are the 8 planets of our solar system. Okay, so there you have it. This is a diagram of the 8 planets in our solar system. Friends, you can see exactly what the planets look like because it shows us in the picture, and then the labels tell us what each planet is. Friends, diagrams and labels show and tell the reader about this information at the same time. So we can see Mars, we can see Jupiter and Saturn has those rings on it. Oh wow, look, Uranus looks like that, and we have Neptune there. And look, there's Earth. So cool. If I didn't have these labels, I would have no idea what these planets were. Let's try that. What if I remove the labels? Wow, that would make this photograph really hard for me to get information from. I wouldn't understand which planet was which. I would be able to see the planets and see what they look like, but I don't know which one's which. Let's bring those labels back. Oop. There we go. Friends, remember, diagrams are really important because they show the reader information by giving the picture, and the labels tell the reader the information. So they show and tell. So cool. Friends, for your work today, you are going to have a very similar assignment to what we did on Monday. You're first going to go to that second slideshow. You are going to, it's titled 1118 Reading Student Work. Oop, let me move myself over. And you are going to explore both versions of that text there, okay? These are the same words, but they're just a little bit different. See if you notice that difference, okay? Then you're going to think, which version helps you understand the information better? Do you like the version with just the words? Or do you like this version here that has a diagram? You're going to think, which version helped me understand the information best? Then you're going to think about why. Okay? Friends, at the end, there are the similar questions to what you did on Monday. You are going to highlight which version helped you understand the information best. Was it version 2 or version 1 or version 2? And why did the version you chose above help you understand the information better than the other version? Okay, tell us why right there. And then please don't forget to read, friends. We really need to be practicing that reading every single day. That is what's going to help us become stronger readers. Try reading for 16 minutes today in your reading spot, okay? Cozy up, grab a blanket and a pillow. You can read on Raz Kids, you can read on Epic, and then tell us in your assignment what book you're reading. We'd love to know, okay? Have fun with this assignment today, friends. We can't wait to see your work and see what you're reading, all right? Have a good day. Bye.